If you've been stuck wondering how to finally take control of your time and income, you need to hear this. Before we get into it, I want you to know if you're ready to start your own online business and see how this blueprint works, go to the link in my bio. You can grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it shows you step by step how to create $900 days and make 10K in 30 days. Now, here's my story. I spent 10 years as a monk. My life was disciplined, focused, and introspective, but eventually I wanted more freedom, not just in my time, but in what I could experience, who I could serve, and the impact that I could make. So I came back to normal life and got a job. I worked for the same company for 5 years. I showed up early, stayed late, and gave them my best energy. Then in 2021, they cut my pay in half. It wasn't just about the money, it was the realization that my livelihood can be cut in an instant, and there was nothing I could do about it. I decided that I never want to work for someone else ever again. I started looking for ways to make money online. I tried multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing programs. I failed over and over again. I spent more money than I made. I wasted years chasing the wrong things. But in early 2024, I found something that changed everything, the blueprint. And here's why it's different. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need years of experience. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day, and the willingness to be coachable and consistent. Let me take you through exactly what you'll do inside the blueprint so you can picture it. Day one, you get your business set up in a single day. We give you the exact templates, tools, and steps to do that. Day two, you plug into our community of entrepreneurs. You introduce yourself, you connect with others, and you see that you're not alone in this. Week one, you follow our Launch to Profit training. It's designed to get you your first sale in 7 days or less. After that, you run the 2-hour workday, post 3 pieces of content a day to social media, each day to grow your audience. Build your email list so you have people you can reach anytime. Let your automations handle follow-up and sales for you. No cold messaging, no bothering friends and family, no paid ads. The system works while you live your life. If you've been sitting on the fence, let me ask you this. How long do you want to keep trading your best hours for someone else's dream? How long do you want to miss out on the life you actually want to live? Because here's the truth. Every day you wait is another day you stay exactly where you are. I've been there. I know what it's like to wonder if this is possible for you. The only reason I'm not still stuck is because I made the decision to start, and you can too. If you're ready to take control of your time and get an income, go to the link in my bio, get the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and start today. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to take the first step. You're in business for yourself, but you're not building your business by yourself.